Hi, this is Mark. I'm going to do an updated video on how to assign or reassign a user to an extension. So the scenario is you've got a phone and that employee has left, no longer with the company. You want to assign the phone to a new user as an admin. First thing you're going to do is you're going to log into portal.startostar.com. Make sure you pick your location that you're working on. Click on device configuration. Find the or click on the extensions then find the extension number. In this case, we've got a new employee that's taken over this phone. It says text extension 3924. We're going to hit edit. Now you can see here's a name on the phone, extension name. This is what shows up on the phone. What I would do is always keep those names as short as possible. That way it will show up better on the screen. If you have North Office phone in right corner, it's just going to say North, nothing else. So in this case, it's going to be, just go with Sam Jones is the new employee. So I'm just going to say Sam. Oh, Sam, there we go. And I'm going to assign a new, I can assign someone who's on here now, but if as a new user, I'm going to add a new user right here. And that new user is going to need his name, Sam. Last name is Jones. And his email address, we're just going to go with sjones@shotrok.com. So I've got his first name, last name, and email address. This email address has to be unique. It cannot in any way match any other employees. They cannot share it. So if for some reason there were two Sam Jones or whatever reason you couldn't use your company's name, he can use a Google account. That's fine. Just for the system, it has to have a unique email address. So I've got Sam Jones, and I've got his email address in there. I can put his cell phone number here if I wanted to. It's not a bad idea. Sometimes it's needed. If I want to make him an administrator at this point, I can make him an administrator for the location or not. And then I will add the user. Now, Sam Jones is the user, and he's assigned to that phone. And then there's the name that's going to appear on the telephone. Then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and click reset voicemail. Maybe someone was there a long time ago. I'll make sure it's all fresh and good for him. Click reset voicemail. Click it again. And now that voicemail is default. Be sure to contact me about getting a cheat sheet which has how to set up your voicemail for I've got it all typed out for you already. If you can't find it, contact me and I'll ship it out to you via email. All right, so I've done that and I'm basically done. Now, this name, whatever was on that name, well, I gotta hit the big save. Hit the big save here. I'm just gonna tie this up. I don't know why this is on there. I don't think we're using it, but I'm gonna tidy this up. I'm gonna change the outbound caller ID. Hit save one more time, and I'm gonna hit save changes to system. And now that I've saved it, it all looks good. Save changes, and now I'm pushing out the save changes. Now, what's going to happen is anybody that has had Sam as a speed dial, go over here to individual phone settings. Let's just go find my phone. And in my speed dial, if I had Sam listed over here, the previous phone on my phone, and it said text extension, and I changed it to Sam, it's going to say Sam here now. But I've got to reset my phone to update that name. So to do that, if you have a Yealink phone, just simply go over to the X button that's just above your volume key. Hold that down for about 5 seconds. It'll say, do you want to reboot your phone? Click yes. It'll take about 30 seconds and it'll reboot and it'll refresh the name on your phone. So now your screen will update with a new config file and whatever was there before will now have the new employee's name on their phone, the name that is in this field right here. If I put Sam is a bummer, it'll have Sam is a bummer in there. All right. But Sam's a pretty good employee, so we're going to keep him there. Now, maybe there's nobody at the phone and they've left, and I want to make sure that I'm going to unassign it, and I don't have a new employee yet. Just go over here and go to no user, and we just put back to text room, and that's their text room phone, and hit save changes. Then here in a little bit, I can't do it right now because I just hit it, but if I hit save changes to system, it will update again. And again, I'll have to reboot all the phones. See, I can't do it because I have to wait 5 more minutes. But later on, I'll hit it, and then I'll reboot all our telephones wherever that extension was showing up on, and it will update on their phone. All right. That's it. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at the help desk. That's helpdesk@shotrock.com, SHOTROK.com.